Yes. So for example now, maybe a bail is maybe 60 or 50,000, like 5 or 8 people, they can just come. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time you're viewing my channel, then you are welcome, and you can join the family by just hitting that subscribe button and clicking the bell next to it to notify you whenever I drop a new video. And to my old subscribers, I say a lot of thank you to you all. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about lucrative business to start in Nigeria with 5k or 10k, 5,000 or 10,000 naira. I think it's enough to start. It's just something small. And please, this is not a get rich quick scheme or anything. It's not the one they will tell you bring 5,000 today, tomorrow you'll be a millionaire, or bring 10,000 today, tomorrow you'll be a billionaire. No. What I'm about to say is just realistic things. I'm sure we might not be conscious of them, but in one way or the other, we might have seen some people doing something related to that. So the first on my list is liquid soap. Yes, there are a lot of people doing that actually. Even where I stay here, there are a lot of people doing it. And if you do yours, you can try to, you can try to package it. You can try to take it to hotels, take it to schools. This life is about packaging. You understand? You just have to look for, and like my mom do it when she was still alive, and to the best of my knowledge, I think it's not as if the profit is you understand, but at least it's okay. It's not as if the chemicals to do those things are really expensive, and if you know your way around them, you'll be able to get a lot of profit from it. What you just need to do is just to let people know you are doing something. You can start from your neighborhood where you stay. You can alert people, okay, I'm doing so thing, I'm doing so thing, and if anybody is interested, and before you know it, if what you're doing is good, you can get bigger supplies. You can supply to hotels, you can supply to schools, hospitals, and car wash and so on like that. Shey you understand? So the second one here is London used clothes. London used clothes have been popularly referred to as okrika. Yes, okrika is very marketable. And like I said from the beginning of this video, all the business I'm going to be listing, all the lucrative business I'm going to be listing here is what you can actually start with. 5,000 to 10,000 naira. So like someone I know on Facebook, she sell these okrika bills, but most time I do see her post where she will tell people that if you don't have money for bill, I think she do sharing, she shares. So for example now, maybe a bill is maybe 60 or 50,000, like 5 or 8 people, they can just come and just share it. I know these things most times they used to say confirm cloth there, all this first grade. Don't be surprised, most of these boutique you even patronize. You understand now? They know how they do all those all those packages, shey you get. And the thing is, even like 60% of people in Nigeria, they put on okrika cloth, but you won't know. Nobody will tell you now. Will I wear something and tell you, this cloth I'm putting on is okrika? Nobody will tell you that. So that's another business to consider. So what I have here again is buying and reselling. So I have some people, they are just like, I know some people rather, they are just like middlemen. Like if you want to sell something, some people, they want to sell their phones, maybe they need to meet some urgent need, and maybe their laptop, their television. And you see people like middlemen, they'll be the ones to tell people, as also person wants to say, I know guys in Lagos that actually does this very well. Then apart from buying and selling, what most people do again is drop shipping. So in drop shipping, you don't need to have the product with you. This is just like an example of what I'm saying. If for example now I'm selling bags, or I'm selling shoes, and you are interested in drop shipping my product, so what you will just do is just to ask me for the pictures of those products. So once you ask me for the pictures, I will send the pictures to you. You just advertise it and you show people. So if anybody is interested, once they make payment, you don't they'll just pay you. You understand? You yourself are not seeing the product. They will just pay you. You just give me my own share of the money. Then I will be the one to just package the goods and send it to that person. And the person will not even know you are not with the product. But one thing about this thing is that you have to look for a trustworthy supplier. You understand? Because it doesn't make sense if a product is, let's say, 7,000 naira in the market, and you want to drop ship, and the person is telling you he wants to drop ship for you 6,500. If the person does that, that means there is no gain. But at least if you can go low to maybe 4,000, 4,005, and you sell it for 7,000 naira, with that you can still see a little gain. So another one on my list is small chops production slash distribution. I believe in those small chops now. Those, you understand, like spring rolls, samosa, pop off, and so on. So you can actually get an event that you can supply, or you can even sell it. Like there are some vendors I know on Facebook that they just package it and they sell it to individuals. If you are interested, they will just deliver it. And to the best of my knowledge, I think it's a very lucrative something, a lucrative business to venture into. Doing that, at least some of these business I mentioned, they are better than begging, and they are better than stealing. And one thing about business is, once people know you are doing this thing, before you know, you start getting referrals. And if you are good with it, not that because you want to do anything anyhow, you just do wuru to the answer. And no, you have to do it very well. You have to package it very well. Even when you deliver it, even with the packages, someone will be like, wow, this thing is, you understand. Then another one I have here is this noodles preparation. Like where I stay in Ilorin is kind of common, you understand. And I don't if there is no gain there, I don't think people will be doing it. So you just have to make sure you get a very good place. So not like the regular this abuki things. You have to do your own. You understand? You have to, everything about this life is just packaging. You have to give it a nice packaging. You can even do home delivery with it. So the next one I have here is pure water. Pure water is a very lucrative business, especially in some part of the country like Lagos State, where people are very, very populated. So before you know it, you don't have to be the one to work it. You can even get these kits. They can okay those that work, or you can just make sure maybe your own price is kind of a little bit lower than other suppliers. You understand? And by doing that, before you know it, you have more customers, and at least something you still get something from it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if there are other businesses that you think I can also talk about, maybe my next video, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Till my next video, stay safe. Bye.